In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change iTunes and App Store country or region on iPad. This is helpful if you're moving to a new country, traveling long term, or need access to apps and media available in a different storefront. I'll walk you through the process on an iPad, and along the way, I'll point out what you can expect to see on screen and a few tips to keep things smooth. First, open the Settings app on your iPad. You'll find the icon on your home screen or in your app library. This is where all the regional and language controls live. Next, head to General. Inside General, scroll until you see Language and Region and tap it. This section manages how your iPad formats dates, times, and importantly for us, which country or region your device uses for Apple services like the App Store and iTunes. Now it's time to change the region. Tap Region. By default, it's set to your current country. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the country you want or scroll through the list to browse. When you see the country or region you'd like to use, tap it once to select it. This choice determines which App Store and iTunes catalog you'll see, including local pricing and availability. After choosing the new region, confirm the change. Your iPad will ask you to verify that you want to switch. Go ahead and confirm, then wait a moment while the new settings apply. It's normal for the device to briefly refresh or for system settings to reload during this step. Just let it finish. When the process completes, your region is updated. Open the App Store or iTunes, and you'll notice the storefront now reflects the country or region you selected. Apps, media, featured content, and prices will match that location. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind. Availability varies by country, and some items you've previously purchased might not appear if they aren't offered in the new region. Payment methods are also region specific, so if you're prompted later to update billing details, that's expected. If anything seems stuck, give the device a moment, then reopen the App Store to refresh. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the iTunes and App Store country or region on your iPad. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and tutorials.